So what happens at IB Carlforsska during year 2 and 3? Well, the formal IB program is 2 years long. And as such, during year 1, you will make a lot of choices in terms of the subjects you want to study for your formal diploma program. The diploma program is divided into 6 main areas of study. You will have your best language, you will have a second language, you will choose a social science, a natural science, maths, and the arts. You do have to pick one subject from each of these 6 areas, but there are exceptions, as I will explain. These 6 subjects, you have to choose 3 of the subjects to study at standard level, which equates to roughly 150 teaching hours over 2 years. And 3 of these subjects you choose to study at a higher level, which equates to 240 teaching hours a year. And as such, this naturally leads to a depth of knowledge within those 6 subjects that simply isn't possible within the Swedish system, where you study many more subjects at the same time. The way it looks in terms of these 6 groups is group 1, this is your best language, your first language. You can choose to do English A or Swedish A, or you can choose to do your own mother tongue if you have a third language that is your best language. We also have group 2, this is the language acquisition, so a second language where we offer English B and Swedish B. We do have students, however, that are bilingual students, and therefore you can replace a group 2 language with a second group 1 language. So we do have students who end up doing, for instance, English A and Swedish A. Group 3 is called Individuals and Societies, and here we offer you the choice of history, global politics, psychology, and ESS, which stands for Environmental Systems and Societies. ESS is the subject that overlaps also with group 4, which are the natural sciences. And in the natural sciences, you can study biology, physics, chemistry, or ESS. Now, the idea of having ESS in both group 3 and group 4 is to allow some students that love natural sciences to do lots of it, and students that love social sciences to do lots of them. Group 5 is maths, and we offer 2 levels of maths. There is maths interpretations and there's maths analysis. Maths analysis is the more advanced level of maths, where the students who love maths can really get into depth about that particular subject. Group 6 is the arts, and we offer visual arts for this particular subject area. But you do not have to take visual arts. Again, you can replace arts with an extra subject from either group 3, the social sciences, or from group 4, the natural sciences, to again allow you to pick the subjects that you are truly interested in. And this is one of the wonderful things about the IB, that every single student will end up with their own study plan. You will select the students that you enjoy, that you feel you are best at, and therefore we end up with very motivated students and motivated groups of students within the IB. The group sizes also end up being smaller than other programs, simply because we offer quite a few different subjects. And typically you end up with 10 to 15 students in each subject. And in terms of how your curriculum might look, we have students who are very interested in the social sciences. We have students who are interested in natural sciences and, of course, arts as well. So a social science student might choose to do several different social sciences. So, for instance, global politics and history. They would reduce the amount of natural sciences they do and perhaps take a simpler level of maths. The natural science students, on the other hand, might choose to do ESS, biology and chemistry and a more advanced level of maths, because that's in their interest. And we end up with students who are interested in the arts, where you, of course, choose arts as your group 6 and perhaps a range of other subjects to go along with that.